Attention all seniors receiving Social Security and SSDI benefits. The Social Security Administration just released an urgent bulletin that's going to change everything about your June payments. And you need to hear this right now because not only are they shifting your deposit dates, but they've also approved an additional $3,760 in extra payments that will be added to your regular benefits this month. Are you prepared for these schedule changes that could affect when your money arrives? Do you know exactly how much extra money you're getting and when it will hit your account? Are you aware that missing this critical information could delay your access to thousands of dollars in additional benefits? This SSA bulletin contains information that every single Social Security and SSDI recipient must know immediately. And I'm about to break down the new June schedule, explain exactly how much extra money you're getting, and reveal the specific dates when these enhanced payments will arrive in your account. Before we dive into these crucial details that could affect your financial planning for the entire month, you absolutely must hit that subscribe button and turn on all notifications because this channel brings you the most important updates on Social Security schedules, benefit changes, and payment announcements that directly impact your monthly income. Don't risk missing any critical information about your benefits. Subscribe right now and let's explore everything you need to know about these June schedule changes and your $3,760 extra payment. The Social Security Administration's bulletin reveals that June represents a unique month in the federal payment calendar due to the intersection of several administrative factors, including system maintenance requirements, federal holiday adjustments, and the implementation of a special supplemental payment program that requires careful coordination with existing benefit distribution schedules. The complexity of managing these multiple factors simultaneously has necessitated strategic adjustments to the typical payment calendar that Social Security recipients have come to expect. What makes this June schedule particularly significant is that it's not just a simple date shift, it's a complete restructuring of the payment timeline to accommodate the additional $3,760 payments while ensuring that no recipient experiences delays or complications with their regular monthly benefits. The SSA has determined that the most efficient approach is to modify the existing schedule rather than create a separate distribution system for the supplemental payments, which ultimately benefits recipients by consolidating their enhanced payments into a single, larger monthly deposit. The $3,760 extra payment represents a substantial enhancement to regular Social Security and SSDI benefits. And this amount reflects careful calculation by SSA actuaries who analyze the cumulative impact of inflation, cost of living pressures, and the specific financial challenges that have disproportionately affected seniors and disabled Americans over the past year. Are you wondering how the SSA arrived at this specific $3,760 amount? The calculation incorporates multiple factors including regional cost variations, healthcare expense increases, and essential living cost adjustments that weren't fully captured in standard cost of living adjustments. The new June schedule divides recipients into specific groups based on their birth dates and benefit types, with Social Security retirement recipients receiving their enhanced payments on modified dates that differ from the traditional second, third, and fourth Wednesday pattern. Recipients born between the 1st and 10th of any month will receive their enhanced June payments on June 12th. While those born between the 11th and 20th will receive payments on June 19th, and recipients born between the 21st and 31st will see their enhanced payments arrive on June 26th. SSDI recipients follow a slightly different schedule adjustment due to the administrative requirements of processing disability benefits alongside the supplemental payments. SSDI beneficiaries will receive their enhanced June payments containing the additional $3,760 on June 3rd. Regardless of their birth date, allowing the SSA to process these payments efficiently while ensuring that disabled recipients receive their enhanced benefits as early as possible in the month. Supplemental Security Income recipients, who traditionally receive their payments on the 1st of each month, will see their enhanced June payments arrive on May 31st due to June 1st falling on a weekend. And these payments will include the full $3,760 supplemental amount added to their regular SSI benefits. This early arrival of enhanced SSI payments provides recipients with additional financial resources at the beginning of the summer season when utility costs and other seasonal expenses often increase. The technical infrastructure required to process these enhanced payments while maintaining the modified schedule has required extensive coordination between the SSA, Treasury Department, and banking institutions across the country. Are you concerned about whether your bank can handle these larger payment amounts on the adjusted dates? Financial institutions have been working closely with federal agencies for weeks to ensure their systems can accommodate both the schedule changes and the increased payment volumes without processing delays or technical complications. The $3,760 supplemental payment is being funded through a special congressional appropriation that recognizes the unique financial pressures facing Social Security and SSDI recipients, particularly the gap between modest cost of living adjustments and the reality of rapidly increasing expenses for healthcare, housing, utilities, and essential goods. This funding mechanism ensures that the supplemental payments don't impact the long-term sustainability of the Social Security Trust Fund while providing immediate relief to those who need it most. Banking institutions have been preparing for weeks to handle the increased payment volumes and modified schedule, with major banks, credit unions, and financial institutions implementing enhanced processing capabilities to ensure smooth deposit handling. The coordination between federal payment systems and private banking networks represents one of the most complex logistical undertakings in Social Security history, requiring precise timing and extensive testing to prevent any disruptions to recipient access to their enhanced benefits. The economic impact of injecting an additional $3,760 into the accounts of millions of Social Security and SSDI recipients during the month of June is expected to create substantial stimulative effects throughout local economies across the country. Economists predict that this enhanced payment will generate increased consumer spending patterns that could boost retail sales, healthcare utilization, and local service industries during what is typically a slower economic period in early summer. Local businesses are already preparing for the anticipated increase in consumer activity, with many retailers, restaurants, and service providers adjusting their staffing levels and inventory management to accommodate the expected surge in customer traffic once the enhanced payments begin arriving. The timing of these payments during June positions them to support summer-related expenses while providing resources that recipients can use for seasonal needs and opportunities. Healthcare providers are particularly interested in the potential impact of these enhanced payments, as many Social Security and SSDI recipients have postponed medical care, prescription medications, and essential health services due to cost concerns. The additional $3,760 could enable many recipients to address healthcare needs that have been financially out of reach, potentially improving health outcomes while reducing long-term healthcare costs for both individuals and the broader medical system. The schedule modifications have also required extensive coordination with state and local agencies that provide services to seniors and disabled individuals, ensuring that caseworkers, social service providers, and community organizations are prepared to assist recipients who may have questions about the new payment dates or need help accessing their enhanced benefits. Are you wondering what support services are available if you encounter any issues with your enhanced June payment? The SSA has activated additional customer service resources and extended support hours to handle increased inquiries during this transition period. Transportation services, meal delivery programs, and other essential services that many Social Security recipients rely on have been notified about the schedule changes to ensure continuity of service delivery despite the modified payment dates. This coordination ensures that recipients who depend on these services won't experience disruptions, even though their payment timing has been adjusted to accommodate the supplemental $3,760 distribution. The administrative complexity of processing these enhanced payments while maintaining accurate records and preventing fraud has required the SSA to implement additional security measures and verification protocols. Enhanced monitoring systems are tracking payment distribution to ensure that every eligible recipient receives their correct amount while preventing unauthorized access to the supplemental payment program. State tax implications of the $3,760 supplemental payment vary by jurisdiction, and recipients should be aware that some states may consider these enhanced payments as taxable income while others may provide exemptions similar to those applied to regular Social Security benefits. The SSA is working with state revenue departments to clarify tax treatment and ensure that recipients have accurate information for their tax planning purposes. The success of this June schedule modification and enhanced payment distribution could influence future SSA approaches to benefit administration, potentially leading to more flexible payment scheduling and enhanced benefit programs that better address the evolving needs of Social Security and SSDI recipients. The lessons learned from this complex administrative undertaking will inform future policy decisions about benefit delivery and recipient services. As we approach the implementation of these schedule changes and enhanced payments, It's crucial for recipients to verify their banking information, understand their specific payment date based on their birth date and benefit type, and prepare for the arrival of substantially larger monthly deposits. The combination of schedule modifications and enhanced payment amounts represents a significant change in the Social Security payment landscape that requires careful attention and preparation from all recipients. The next few weeks will be critical for ensuring smooth implementation of these changes, and recipients should monitor their accounts carefully. Contact the SSA if they have questions about their specific payment dates, and be prepared for the financial planning opportunities that come with receiving an additional $3,760 in monthly benefits. This represents a historic moment in Social Security administration that prioritizes recipient needs while demonstrating the government's commitment to providing adequate support for America's seniors and disabled citizens.